How much money do I need to start an E-Trade account? Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, hit that like, comment, and share button. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and children of all ages, you are now tuned into the Investor Show. As always, this is your gracious host, the Prince of Investing, Prince Dice, coming to you guys and girls live all the way from the beautiful state of Denver, well, the city and state of Denver, Colorado. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, comment, and share button, and hit that bell icon to get new videos as they drop. And as always, I don't have a lot of time, and I definitely know you guys and girls don't have a lot of time, so we're going to jump straight into it. So right here in the video, you can see I just made this video because a lot of people ask me, hey, Prince, how much money do I need to start an E-Trade account? How much money do I need to invest or whatnot? But as you look around the E-Trade site, it doesn't really tell you, hey, you got to have this much. But just from my time and experience, and it could have changed over the time now, and my research is that it's $500. That, yes, you can open up an account for free. You can set it up. But if you don't move about $500 in the first 60 days, they will just close your account. That's from personal experience. It tells you if you want to do something like advanced trading, like futures trading, you're going to need like $10,000. If you want to be an active day trader, you need about $25,000 or something like that. If you want to have a portfolio that is managed, you're going to need $25,000. But if you just want to open up an account and start on your path of investing, you need to look at about $500 that you need to transfer into your account. Now, to set up your account is free. They let you set it up and everything. But within the first 30 to 60 days, they want to see you transfer about $500 into the account. Because if you open up an account, don't do anything with it, no money moves in, they usually would just close the account from my experience and my seeing. So right now, I would say if you're an everyday person just getting into the world of investing, you want to know how much money you need for E-Trade, we're going to say about $500. And that's from personal experience, and that's from also doing a little research and in the past. Now, it could have changed, and if it has changed, drop a comment below and say, Prince, man, you're an idiot, that has changed. But if not, look at $500 to start on your path of investing. I hope this helped you out. Until the next video, podcast, cartoon, or whatever else crazy you see me do around the globe, peace, be safe, I'm out, and thank you.